Greetings and welcome to our channel. Today, join us as we delve into the significance of World Protein Day, all in just 5 minutes. Every February 27th, we observe World Protein Day. This day serves to underscore the importance of protein in our diets and promote awareness of its health advantages with the goal of improving global nutritional well-being. The origins of World Protein Day can be attributed to the initiative launched by the U.S. Soybean Export Council, USECI. Its main aim is to educate people about the vital role of adequate protein consumption in promoting better nutrition and health. As time has passed, the celebration of Protein Day has evolved into a global movement. Various organizations, institutions, experts, and individuals have joined forces to advocate for the benefits of protein and raise awareness worldwide. Protein is more filling than carbohydrates or fats, which can help you feel satisfied and full for longer periods. This can prevent overeating and snacking later in the day, aiding in weight management, as nutritionists mentioned. What's the necessity of protein? Protein serves as the fundamental component of the human body, playing a crucial role in various functions. It's indispensable for constructing tissues, cells, and muscles, and for synthesizing hormones and antibodies. Generally, it's advised that most individuals consume approximately 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per 1 kilogram of body weight daily. Protein can be sourced from both plant and animal origins. Here are some economical options for high-protein foods. Eggs. Eggs stand out as highly nutritious, offering a broad spectrum of essential nutrients crucial for health. Opting for omega-3 enriched or pastured varieties enhances their nutrient profile further. Renowned for being rich in protein, eggs serve as fundamental components for bodily development. A typical medium-sized egg provides approximately 6 grams of easily digestible protein. Milk and milk products. Dairy products boast ample protein content and are also rich in calcium, vital for bone health. Milk, for instance, contains 3.3% of its total volume as protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids crucial for human well-being. Cheese, crafted from milk, qualifies as a complete protein source, besides being a flavorful option with minimal calorie content. Yogurt. Yogurt, created through the bacterial fermentation of milk, is a nutritious food abundant in protein. A single cup of yogurt boasts 8.5 grams of protein and offers valuable proteins with high biological value, along with essential fatty acids. Moreover, it serves as a plentiful reservoir of calcium, phosphorus, potassium, as well as vitamins A, B2, and B12. Beans and pulses. Legumes such as beans and pulses are excellent, affordable sources of protein. Additionally, they serve as valuable plant-based iron sources and are abundant in dietary fiber. Soybeans. Soybeans are a must-mention when talking about economical protein sources in India, especially cherished by vegetarians for their high protein content. Despite being plant-derived, they encompass all essential amino acids. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer a rich array of protein, beneficial fats, dietary fibers, as well as essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, approximately 50 pistachio nuts furnish 6 g of protein along with sodium and potassium. Varieties such as peanuts, almonds, walnuts, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are notable for their protein content, alongside vitamins and fibers. Certain seeds boast unexpectedly high protein levels. Pumpkin, hemp, and watermelon seeds stand out with even more protein than many nuts, surpassing the likes of almonds. Today, as we celebrate World Protein Day, let's remember to prioritize our health by embracing the diverse sources of protein that nature provides. Together, let's continue to spread awareness and advocate for better nutrition, fostering a healthier and happier global community. We appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us.